Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a week. I have missed a video and a two maybe. Sorry, it's just been so busy. I'm working on some delicious new recipes for you guys, which has meant that I haven't had a moment spare to make something for the videos. But I'm back, and now I'm back for good. I have got so many good things planned for the channel. I'm going to start with a recipe from my book, Healthy Indian Vegetarian. I've also got a normal Healthy Indian, which has some fish and chicken. Anyways, the vegetarian one, and I'm making a super quick dal for my family today. So obviously, I thought I'll share the recipe with you. It's cumin dal. It's so straightforward. Look at this beautiful. And my dal is going to look exactly like this. So let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get cooking. In goes 300 grams of moong dal, and that's the lentil I'm talking about. I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and also 1 teaspoon of salt goes in. And to this goes in 1.2 liters of boiling water. Just a quick mix. So I'm cooking this in a pressure cooker. I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes until one whistle. And if you're using another kind of cooker, then you would know how much time it will take. So you can use a normal pan to cook this as well, just like this. So if you use a pan like this, it should take you around 20 to 25 minutes to cook the same dal in a pan. So I'm going to cook this now. So my pressure cooker always spills out, but I've had it for years and it's a trustworthy. I bought it in India. Everyone in India has a pressure cooker. Now I cooked this, and the key is to leave it aside and kind of let the pressure come down so it doesn't, there's no air left in it, steam left in it. And that's when I opened, but actually I had some work to do. So it's been sitting like this for 3 hours now. But it's dinner time, so I'm going to get this open and finish the dal and serve it. Look at this. So because it's been sitting for quite a few hours now, it's become really nice and thick. If you don't want it so thick, you can add some water, but I wanted this thick because we're going to be eating this with roti. Don't forget to check out my masterclass of roti video on the channel. It's a really good one if you have any questions or doubts about making chapati or roti at home. Because it's been sitting in the pressure cooker and I haven't opened it, it's still warm after 3 hours, so I don't actually need to reheat it because I don't want it piping hot anyways. And now for the tadka, I have got this tadka pan, again bought in India, but you can just use a small little pan, any small frying pan to make the tadka. So first things first goes in some oil. You can use some ghee. I'm using some good quality rapeseed oil, and then to this I'm going to add cumin. So a teaspoon of cumin, and then just let it sizzle up. Look, it's sizzling up straight away, which is great. And once it's sizzling up nicely, I'm going to also throw in some curry leaves. Some of them are a bit darker in color because it's been sitting in the fridge for too long, my friends, too long. And then I'm just going to slit a couple of chilies. Always slit and add it, otherwise it could just burst in the oil. So I'm just going to add a couple of chilies in here. and just a handful of coriander leaves goes in as well. And as soon as you add the coriander, just turn the heat off, and I'm going to transfer this tadka to on top of the lentils basically. Oh, look at that. Just try and spread it. And here is the cumin dal ready. Cumin is jeera. Here is the jeera dal ready. It is so simple. There is no dal simpler than this. It's quick to make. It's really healthy. It's very nutritious, and it looks stunning. It smells amazing, and I'm going to make some chapatis, fresh chapatis to go with this, but I obviously need to taste it for you guys, haven't I? So give me a second. Obviously it's for my family, so don't get cross and say, oh, you're eating from the bowl. I won't double dip, okay? Oh, I love moong dal. I love all dals, but this just shows that you don't need tons of ingredients. You just need a few things to make something delicious and healthy, and so quick. This is a quick dal. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. The written recipe for all those who message me. Wait a second. The written recipe can be found, cumin dal, in my book, Chetna's Healthy Indian Vegetarian, which is packed with lots of other vegetarian dishes. Most of them are vegan as well. So leaving the link to this in the description. Till then, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.